What's your favorite body part?
Oh, this is so embarrassing and vain.
Okay.
That's a great question.
Really
oh my goodness.
Oh, I love to dance. I still do.
Bring it down. Bringing it down.
I'd have to say my best body part is my brain.
You can utilize it to manifest whatever you want in your life. It's a powerful tool.
My smile, I guess. Yeah.
I was always told, like, oh my God, you have the most athletic legs, but I'm like, I don't work out.
They always said I had nice legs. In my 20s, I think I was a brick house.
I think I have a pretty good derriere for someone who's 47.
My shoulders. I love these puppies.
My lips. I've heard that they're full. I like to think so myself.
One of my favorite attributes is I have most all my hair. I think I look quite a bit younger than I actually am. I'm happy with that.
My eyes, yes. I get in a lot of conversations about my eyes.
My jawline. I've been told I have a good jawline.
I have dimples, and I think that's probably my favorite body part. Especially when I don't have a beard, I think sometimes it gets me out of certain uncomfortable situations if I just smile.
That little V line, yeah, the oblique muscles, it's like my favorite thing. Those V's, though, it's all about that. Anyways, sorry, that was vain.
Get over it. Trust me, you look better than you think. You know, you look back at those pictures and you're like, and I thought I was ugly, and I thought I was this, and I thought I was that, and I'm like, look at yourself.
I would say that it's important to strike a balance between changing the things that will make you feel better and happier and are productive, and being happy with who you are.
Don't compare your body to what you see on TV or with other people. Love your body, love yourself, and be healthy.
Continue to take care of yourself. Watch your weight, because after you reach a certain age, your weight is going to hit you. And boy, does it hit.
Prevention is key. Find the sport that you enjoy or the activity you really enjoy and really lean into that, because that fundamental muscle structure or knowledge of your body will really benefit you forever.
I would just tell him to be himself, you know, not to get so down on himself for being short or for being kind of hairy, you know, and like these were all just things that you naturally grow into.
Take care of the bodysuit because it's not replaceable and it's really a treasure.
People can say, oh, it doesn't matter. It's not important. But you know what? It is, because if you feel good about yourself, you put that out there.
I would tell myself, you are a walking goddess, and to stop letting other people's opinions and insecurities about what they think a body should look like affect you.
Society's going to try to tell you a lot of different things about how your body should look, and that's not important. It's how you feel on the inside, and that reflects how you feel on the outside.
Living life on my own terms, you know, not worrying about what other people think and just doing what I want to do.
I would have to say it was my previous job, my career.
I think my greatest success is being a dad. Yeah.
Raising my kids right.
Raising my kids. They turned out to be two great young men.
My greatest success probably is living as long as I have, because I did live dangerously. I'm probably lucky to be alive.
My invention of myself as a shoe designer. I don't have any formal training in this. It's something I've always been curious and interested in and have really followed that curiosity. But I think that's my biggest success. It's just kind of identifying what I wanted to do and just going after it.
My greatest success in my life is my marriage. Unusually, incredibly successful, yeah.
I have lupus, so I am proud of myself for saying, you know what, this cane that I have, this disability that I have is not going to stop me from being a voice for other people who may not have the ability or are too afraid to be that voice for themselves.
All right, it was great.
Like, Come on, right?
Nice. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. That was awesome. Thank you, guys.